I'm standing here right now in front of 7312 Bosher Drive. Beautiful, solid brick castle behind me. 5 bedrooms, over 4,000 square feet on 10 acres of manicured, beautiful horse property. Driving up to this house, you're gonna notice all the beautiful homes leading up to this beautiful entrance here, and right up to this 5-bedroom with a secondary building, also solid brick, and a barn in the back for horses. And you have horse pastures surrounding the property. There's so much to see here. We're just gonna go inside to take a look. Like I said, this is Liz's listing, and we're gonna get this thing sold pretty quick. I think we have some buyers already that are chomping at the bit, so you better get on this quick. So we're gonna go inside, take a closer look. Let's go.
Okay.
Offered at $1 million, backs up to a creek, by the way, and I wanted to mention this first because I think it's really cool, and it's not in a flood zone, as you can see from this FEMA map right here. But let's go inside and take a closer look. And throughout this video, I'm going to go in fast forward and regular speed just to save us all time, so you're not just waiting for me to walk slowly down a hallway. But there's the entrance, and here is the living area. And it's very spacious, and the wood floors are in great shape. That's real tile on the kitchen floor, by the way. It's not laminate or anything, it's actual ceramic. And the countertops look like they're made of some kind of stone. I don't want to call it granite or anything, I'm not really sure, but it is a stone material, it looks like. You have a nice pantry right here, very spacious, and it's got an overhead light with a switch. There's a pot-belly stove there for decoration, but there is actually ash in there, and I think it's actually functioning. It looks like it was being used. And there's the living room from another angle. And you have a screened-in back deck there with a view of that beautiful little pond with a river. There's pumps, and the water flows through it, and it's beautiful and serene and sounds great. So let's just walk through the rest of the house here. I'm going to go down this hallway and cut a left, and when you're looking at the front of the house, that spire that looks like a castle, there's a room above and below, and it's kind of like shaped like an octagon or something. And this is the first floor primary bedroom, and there's going to be another primary bedroom upstairs, but here you have a his and hers closet, walk-in, which is great. They're exactly the same, so everybody's getting the same amount of closet space. Keep everything fair. There I am. Hello. Stand and shower. Now there was no deck in the back of that sliding door, so there's an opportunity to build a beautiful deck. Let's go upstairs and take a look at upstairs, because all the bedrooms, or most of the bedrooms, are going to be up here. And you have one small bedroom here, and again, that's the octagon room above the one below it, the one we just saw, obviously. And you have a nice walk-in closet. Got a water heater in it, but you still got a nice walk-in closet. And here's the second primary bedroom. It's not as big and grand as the one downstairs, but it's got one walk-in closet, a single sink, still has the same kind of stand-up shower. So, yeah, it's nice to have a second one as a backup. And in this bedroom here, this is a big bedroom, and right back there, there's a upstairs. And we'll walk back there in a bit. Another closet. And that's the central vacuum you saw in there. So this does have central vacuum. And you got a full bath right here. I didn't know at first, but yeah, there's a shower hidden back there. So you got another full bath for those to serve those 2 bedrooms in the back. It looks like an insert. Another bedroom here. So as you can see, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms up here, and there's another one downstairs. So that little tiny octagon room, maybe they're not counting that as a bedroom because there seems like there are a lot of them. So this full bath serves, I guess, the other bedrooms on the other side of the house. But let's go upstairs now and check out that bonus room, because that's huge. And this is a 4,900 square foot home, and this is going to account for a lot of that square footage. A lot of space up here. Conditioned, just beautiful. And you have more storage here. So you got a lot of closets and closet space and storage. So you shouldn't have any problems with that. But let's go outside and check out that exterior building, a second structure It's a garage. I thought about maybe turning that into like a accessory dwelling unit, second home, guest house or something like that on the property. This is zoned A1, by the way, agricultural. But check with zoning before you do anything like that, of course. But a lot of space in here. And on this side of that garage, we'll call it, is another garage door, and that's where you can park your tractor. I believe that's where they put the tractors. Had some guys here cleaning the pool, getting it all ready, power washing the deck. I don't think the pool was used for a while, so they're getting it all ready to go, getting the pumps running, just making it look pretty. Needs some landscaping on the outside there. Here's the barn. Liz is going to open the door and we're going to take a look inside. And it looks like you have plenty of room for several horses. And you know, I did want to mention a couple of other things. This property is being sold at $1 million, but the tax assessed value is $1,022,000, so it's being sold for below tax assessed value. And a couple of other things I wanted to mention before signing off is that the property taxes are $8,278 a year. Also, there is a road maintenance fee of $100 a year. And next here, I'm going to show you a shooting range in the back. This property is really a good deal. And if you're wild enough, this is all yours too. And there's your shooting range. That's where the target was. Now we're going to take a walk down to a stream because the property goes way, way back. Here we are at the end of our tour. All the information is going to be in the description below. I'll have a link to the property when it goes active. So if you're thinking about buying it, don't hesitate to pick up the phone, give me a call. We'll schedule a tour together and we'll work together and get this thing sold. Buyer agent, listing agent, and you. Thanks for watching to the end. I'm Ron DiSanto.
Liz Brown.
Have a great day.